Off the eastern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula in the Western Caribbean is where tropical storm Idalia is located. The northeastern Gulf will experience a weak trough as a result of the increased northerly motion that began last night and will continue today at 8 mph. A deepening trough on the northern Gulf Coast will enable high pressure to the west of Idalia steer the system to the northeast tonight into Tuesday. The storm is expected to proceed in a northeasterly direction through Tuesday night and Wednesday. A ridge of high pressure near the Bahamas will drive into the storm up to the north, and it will then round the ridge to the northeast. Due in part to the extremely warm waters that lay ahead of this system in the southern and eastern Gulf, TS Idalia may intensify into a Category 3 hurricane by Tuesday night. After today, upper-level shear, which hinders a tropical cyclone from strengthening, is predicted to be low to moderate, allowing for a major hurricane to rapidly intensify and possibly make landfall Tuesday into Wednesday early. Along the northern Gulf Coast, higher shear increases late Tuesday through early Wednesday. The extent of the impacts felt on the west side of the system's track would ultimately be reduced by shear on the storm's western side. The storm's final path will have a big impact on northwest Florida, a trajectory that is more oriented toward the Big Bend or the Florida Peninsula might result in impacts from the Apalachicola River and to the west that are perhaps only tropical storm force or less severe. The likelihood of hurricane strength impacts on the NWFL would increase significantly if the track moved more towards the western side of the cone. The eastern Panhandle of Franklin County, where severe storms including tornado potential, damaging straight-line winds, storm surge, and heavy rains would be the main concerns. Given the limited time, Franklin County, NW Florida, should be ready tonight or Monday for the possibility of hurricane force winds arriving sometime during the middle of the week. It is preferable to over-prepare and aspire to the slightest effects. The storm's effects seem to be greatest in Franklin County if it keeps moving in the direction of the Big Bend. As of the Monday morning, Franklin County could experience 2 to 4 feet of small surge, 1 to 3 inches of rain Tuesday night through Wednesday, up to 7 inches or more throughout the entire week. The hurricane gusts of 75 to 110 mph.